Hi guys, on this tutorial, I want to show you how you can create product pages and product collection pages on your Shopify website. We'll see this prompt to either find products to sell or add your product. So to explain this for a bit, if you have your own product that you want to sell, you could manually add them here and list everything, and I'll walk you through this one. And this other option is if you don't have your own product, but you want to sell product on your website, that means you want to make use of third-party suppliers. So basically, these third-party suppliers have the products and then they just ship them to you or ship them to your customers whenever you get an order in your e-commerce store. It's actually called drop shipping. So if that's the route you wanted to take, then this is the option. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through this option, as well as creating a product collection. So first of all, let's go to this option right here. So we click on find product to sell, and you'll be taken to the Shopify App Store where you can search for apps. So let's just go over here and find one of the Shopify apps. So this is a Shopify app that lets you sell products from third-party suppliers. I'll leave a link to Zendrop so you can sign up. All right, so this is Zendrop website homepage. So let's try to see what it offers. So with this app, you'll be able to partner with dropshipping suppliers in different countries and then sell their product. So let's just quickly go through fast shipping. So the suppliers you can partner with on Zendrop offer fast shipping, automated drop shipping. So kind of automated when people order on your store, it automatically gets pushed to the Zendrop supplier and then he ships. So everything is on autopilot, right? What class support? They do offer support. They have US product, meaning that you can get even faster shipping. We're looking at 5 to 8 days business shipping. Brand development. Now, this is one of the things I love about Zendrop. Real-time analytics and custom branding. Now, with this particular custom branding on, what it means is that the product your suppliers will be shipping to your customers will be branded. So customize your winning products to set yourself apart from the competition with private labeling and custom packaging on any product in our catalog. So this is something called private labeling, right? So what it means is once your supplier wants to ship that product, the packages will be branded. So the packages would have like your business logo, your preferred custom graphic design about your business brand and all of that on the packages. So it looks really unique. Now you don't have to keep inventory of this product or buy it in bulk. The Zendrop supplier already has the product, already source the product for you and keep inventory and ship for you and handle all of that and even custom brand the packages. So that's really cool. So let's just go ahead and create a Zendrop account. Let's put our name, last name, email, and password quickly. So once you click on sign up, you'll be taken to this page where you need to enter your phone number. Once you click save and continue, you'll be taken to this page. And on this page, it kind of offers you to get a Zendrop Pro account, and that you could try that for 7 days. And then it tells you all the good stuff about Zendrop Pro. However, for this purpose of this tutorial, we would be using the Zendrop free plan so that everybody can follow through with this tutorial. But let me just say a bit about the Pro version. I think the best thing I love about the Pro version is this custom branding. It's called private labeling. So if you've heard about private labeling, that's what it is. It means that the supplier would always ship your product in custom branded packages. So when your customer gets it, it gives this very cool, unique, professional feeling, right? Apart from custom branding, Zendrop Pro also offers bundle and subscription. That means you can sell bundles and subscription boxes, unlimited sourcing options, and a lot. All right, so let's just use the free plan for this tutorial. So we clicked on the free plan and we are prompted to this page where we can either connect our Zendrop account to WooCommerce, Shopify, and Commerce HQ. So let's go back to our Shopify dashboard. So back to our Shopify dashboard, we're previously on this Shopify page, remember, where we search for Zendrop app. It's called the Shopify App Store. So over here, we'll just click on Add App. And next thing is to click on Install App. All right, so if you notice what just happened, it automatically took us to this Zendrop account. And that's because we have already created a Zendrop account, and then we use the same email we're using for our Shopify website. So the same email address we used to create our Shopify account was the email address we used in creating our Zendrop account. And so therefore, when we installed Zendrop on our Shopify store, it automatically redirected us to our Zendrop dashboard. That's the Zendrop dashboard that we just created, the Zendrop account that we just created. All right, so over here, the next thing we need to do is import products so that those products goes to our Shopify store. So to do this, there are a lot of products we can import, and let me quickly go over them. So over here, ships from the US, if we click on it, we'll see product that only ships from the US, and that means the shipping time is going to be fast, like 5 to 8 days shipping time for products that ship only from the US. So if you're looking for a faster shipping time on Zendrop, the advice would be to pick from products that ships from the US. All right, so that said, if we go back, we also have trends. That's trendy product, and then we have tech product, and we have pets product, and we have a list of other products that you can import from Zendrop. So let's just search for, you can also search for a specific product if you're looking for one. So I just searched for this product, this Afro Kinky Coily Wig. So I will just click on it. So once I clicked on the product, I can see more information about the product, a description about the product. I can see the price, the size, and the different variations that the product come with, and everything. I can also see the shipping price as well as the product cost and the total. And depending on where my customers are, I can select which location I want the product to be shipping to, and then I'll be able to see the shipping cost. So here I can see for the when the product shipping to the US, if I'm selling to customers in the US, I can see the product cost, I can see the shipping cost, and I can see the average shipping time for these products, which it says here it takes 15 days. All right, if I wanted to go with this product, I just need to click on Add to Import List. I could see here that the product has already been added to import list. So I'll just go over here on import list, click on import to store, to my Shopify store. So I'll just click on that. And then over here, it gives me like some kind of pre-information. It says this product will show 50,000 units in inventory in your store. This is just a placeholder since we do not have real-time inventory from the factories we buy product from. Production cycle delays. when you first start selling a product, it might take longer than the normal 1 to 3 days to ship. This is normal and should not happen once you start selling it regularly. So having been notified of this, click on confirm. And once you do, you could see that the product has been imported to your store, your Shopify store. So if we go back to our Shopify dashboard, once we are on our Shopify dashboard, the next thing we need to do is to click on products. And over here, we can see that this product has now been added to our Shopify store. So if you wanted to edit this product, we'll just click on it. So over here, we can see that the product name was imported from Zendrop. The product description was imported from Zendrop. The product pictures, variation, everything was imported from Zendrop. Now, if we go back to our Zendrop store, let's click on dashboard, right? And on the dashboard, we can see this report. It says sales cost and all of that. What this means is that when a customer purchases from our Shopify website, would see the report of that purchase here, and automatically it will be pushed to Zendrop. Zendrop would package the product and then ship it. If you're on Zendrop Pro, it means that Zendrop would package the product in your custom branding and then ship the product. But if you're using Zendrop Free, it will just package it in a regular package and then ship the product. Zendrop Pro, other than custom branding, also offers a whole lot of other benefits. So you might want to check that out. All right, so back to our Shopify dashboard. So back to our Shopify dashboard. This is the product page already auto-filled, title, description, pictures, category, variation, everything already perfectly auto-filled from Zendrop. So we might want to preview it and see what it looks like on the front end of our Shopify website. So this is the front end of our Shopify website. Once we previewed the product, you can see how it looks like on the front end of our Shopify website. So guys, that's it for using Zendrop to import product to your Shopify store. So guys, I want to show you how you can add a product to your Shopify website manually. So just click on Add Product. So to manually add a product to our Shopify website, we're going to have to fill in everything ourselves. So we fill in the product title, the description. So just go ahead and fill in the description just as you want it. You can be creative. You can bold some letters. You can put some in italics. You can underline some. You can add pictures to your description and video and links and all of that. So just be creative with this section and describe it the way you want the product to be described and add all of this formatting. So when we go down, you'll see that we can add media, that is image for the product. So we'll click on Add Files and we'll add a picture from our computer. So once we add a product from our computer, we can add the price of the product and then we can compare the price. You might want to put something like price of this product is this, but we are selling it at that. So if that's what you want to do, you can compare the price. So you can put $120 to say the price of the product is usually $120, but we are selling it on the store for $90. All right, so you can try to put cost per item, profit and profit margin. This is just for your own personal reference. Customers won't see this. So just to keep things tidy for yourself, you might want to just indicate the cost per item, the profit, and the margin. All right, so over here, you can put your shop location. That's where you want the product to be fulfilled from. On this store, we already have Zendrop downloaded, right? So if this inventory is coming from Zendrop, we'll select Zendrop. And if it's not coming from Zendrop, maybe we have the product ourselves or we have it some other place, right? We'll just select whichever one it is. All right, so under the quantity, you would select how many quantity is in that shop location. So you could put 10 for things. So it depends on how much inventory you have. This is where you put it. Then continue selling when out of stock. Do you want the product to still be selling even when your customers has purchased all the inventory available in that shop location? If you want that, you click on continue selling out of stock. This product has a SKU or a barcode. If you do have one, you indicate it and then you put it. All right, so is it a physical product? This is where you indicate that. And then what is the weight? So you just put the weight. And this, does the product ship internationally? If it does ship internationally, you also indicate that and indicate the regions where it ships internationally. Digital product or service. Is the product a digital product or service? You select that, but it's a physical product, so we'll just left it at physical product. So variation, if you're going to have other variation of the product, like color, size, and everything, if you would have other variation of the product, then you could start creating product variation, the sizes you have, the colors you have, the materials you have, and all of that. So on this place, you can put the prototype, the vendors, the collection, the tag, if any, and all of that. So once you're done and you're satisfied, then you click on save. Once you click on save, it means that the product has now been saved and you've successfully created the product manually. You could as well preview what the product looks like on the front end. This is the front end and the product has been created. Let's go back to our Shopify dashboard. And I want to show you how to create a product collection. So if we click on products, we'll see two products has already been added to our Shopify store. One of the product was automatically added using Zendrop, and the other one was manually added. Now, I want to point out at this point that Zendrop isn't the only dropshipping supplier app. So on the description of this tutorial, I would have a link to other dropshipping supplier apps if you want to check that out, and even a link to an article that reviews each of the supplier app. But I do love Zendrop, and that is why I've used it in demonstrating this tutorial. All right, so we also have this product that's manually added, and what we're going to do next is to create a product collections. That means we want to have the product and our store, these two products in a collection. So to do this, we'll click on collections, and then we'll click on create collection. We're on this page, and what we need to do is to write the collection's name. So after writing the collection's name, give the collection a description. It's important to note that you can write you can be as descriptive as you want to be, and then you could make use of bold, you could bold in some text, underline some text, add alignments, pictures, videos, links, and everything to make it look cool. Under collection types, you can either click on manual or automated. If you click on manual, it means that you'll be manually adding the product you want to fall under this collection to this collection. And if you click on automated, it means that you're going to be creating rules, and any product that falls within that rule will be added to the collection page. And let's quickly illustrate this. So over here, we just expand this, and then we'll click on price. Then we'll say is greater than, and then we put 0. So what this means is that any product with a price that is greater than $0 would be automatically added into this collection. All right, so having said that, over here, we can add a collection image. So let's quickly do that. So once we add a collection image, we'll just click on save. So now our collection is saved. So we can decide to view this collection page. And now we can see that on this collection page, we now have the two collections product we just created in this collection. So let's go back to our Shopify store and let's click on collections. So this is the collection we just created. And then on this collection we just created, we can see it has two products. That is because we have two products on our website, which we just created, and both products that we demonstrated were both had price that was greater than $0. So what it means is that the more we keep adding products to our Shopify store, if any of those products is greater than $0, it would automatically get added to this collection. So that's it, guys, for this tutorial. I hope you're able to learn how to create a product manually and also how to create the product automatically using a supplier app. So there are a lot of supplier app, but in this tutorial, we've demonstrated with Zendrop, which is a very good supplier app, and I hope you understood it, how to automatically create a product using Zendrop, and also how to create a product manually, and how to create a product collection. So that's it, guys, for this tutorial. Take care and bye-bye.